In this video, we will see a flicker effect. See, so like this, we can make a very easy in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let me remove all layers from here from my timeline. So now we have one video clip, and we make a flicker effect. So click here a new item, then color matte, OK, and choose the color that you want to flick. So I'm taking a black and color matte, its name, you can rename it. Now drag this color matte to your timeline, then resize it. Just make it 1 to 2 frame. Then simply copy and paste this. You see? So let me copy multiple times. Control C for copy, or you can just simply hold the Alt key from your keyboard and drag here. Do it multiple times. You can select all the clips. Control C for copy and paste here. Paste again. Control S for save, and let's check. So this is very simple trick in Adobe Premiere Pro to add flicker effects. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.